Tonight we're gonna draw Jibanyan S. He's like Jibanyan, only his powers been enhanced to S rank. There we are.
Ladies and gentlemen, DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman.
Alexa, play No Limit by Silver Storm.
No Limit from Fairy Tale by Silver Storm on Amazon Music.
You know, there should be a Whisper S. And an Usapion S. That way we have 5 fighters in this group. Let's do this. Here we are. There's his chest. Here's his arms. Here's his tails. There he is. One last thing. His aura. Now that is how you draw Jibanyan S. There we are. Relax, guys. We're gonna draw the other two. Until next time, victory!